Join our founder, Bill, as he shares his insights on how being dyslexic is a unique gift and how our Sky Village app transforms learning into an empowering experience for dyslexic children.
Did you say dyslexia was a gift?
Hard to believe, huh? Absolutely. Anyone, and I mean anyone, would want to be dyslexic if you can eliminate the reading and writing disability associated with it. When confused, the dyslexic will create or alter perceptions to their brain to figure things out. Plus, the dyslexic thinks in an enormously high percentage of three-dimensional thought. So when you take our propensity to think in three-dimensional thought with the way that we process confusion, what can often happen is out-of-the-box thinking. Thus, Magical I Am Sky Village. Now, what's been interesting in working with Sunil and the Magical I Am team over the last 15 months, or the first 15 months, I would go to Sunil with a dyslexia solution question and ask if it could be gamified. I heard over and over, Bill, yes, but it's never been done before. Bill, yes, but it's never been done before. It will be very interesting to see how these innovations in Sky Village impact the digital gaming industry. Sunil and his teams from across the globe have been so creative, and this thing is so entertaining.